Just coming at you with a quick tutorial here. We get asked all the time how to clean silicone hoses. So we're here at Meguiars, so we've grabbed some of their multi-purpose cleaner and a brush, and we'll show you how we clean those. So we're going to take our multi-purpose cleaner, take our soft bristled brush and directly spray it into the brush, and then we can slowly agitate it over the hose. After agitation, just take a microfiber and just give that a nice wipe down. There you go, that's how you clean a silicone hose with the Meguiars multi-purpose cleaner.